I do a lot more than sell blackberries. What he's actually referring to is all these blackberry bushes. And yeah, it's probably a little much for a family of 5. I actually sell the plants and the berries. But I'm really about to tell you my whole process on why I have so many of them. First reason I have all these blackberry bushes is actually because I was trying to find a way to save money. See, when I started going down this road, my kids actually ate one of these every single day. Now, I'm not saying I'm good at math, but these at $4 a pop's about $120 a month. And fun fact, one of these containers costs about 6 cents. And I actually got tired of spending all that money, so I said, hey, I'm gonna grow it all. Then I had to figure out how many blackberry bushes it took to get one of these a day. And just as soon as I had that figured out, all of a sudden my kids can't stop eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Then I quickly realized I was spending about $5 a week just on jam for my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Then I learned how to make my own jam for my blackberries. Now I ain't claiming to be a genius, but what I did was I figured out a way to get rid of $1,000 of expenses every year. Then I also figured out a way to get a little extra money from people wanting to get some berries. At the end of the day, if you're just tired of spending money on food just like me, go ahead and put your money to work while it produces something for you.